time, but I meant to be in work early that on Tuesdays because I set up on Tuesdays. I mean, setting up there is nothing like setting up in Lidl, it's so much easier. But yeah, I could have walked it quicker. I was late anyway. But no, the next day, the traffic was just rapid, that's just the roadworks was on, so I decided to go up to the top. So I dropped the button off, and I was actually following you up to Martha. I was like, I wonder if Jane notices I'm following her. And I turned right where you got running. So just before you went past Lucy's house, I went to turn right and go up that way, where you run over the moors. And I went up over the top, down past the forest schools, and over the reservoir, past the back of the reservoir. And then instead of turning right to go down to Ulverston and coming out the farmers, I carried on up. I turned right the next road. Stunning. I was coming up over the top and I could look down at the home. It was absolutely gorgeous. This would be a great run. My God, that hill would kill me. It's a massive hill up there. Sorry?
It is a big hill, but it's all okay. Not sharp.
And then I came back down through, down over the top of Olsen, so you come down into Olsen and then come out at church, the roundabout by church, so just turn left to Jordan, so it's so much easier. I was thinking, I don't mind if there's traffic, I'll just do that again, because it only took me 5 minutes longer than it would normally, but it took me down slightly less time than it did missing traffic. I don't even think it took me 5 minutes longer. I think it took me 5 minutes longer because I stopped and took photos. We had for the signal towers.
Mother, blue peg, green one. What was that blue peg down there? That blue peg.